Ever felt overwhelmed by online marketing? Ever wished for a tool that simplifies it all? Welcome to the world of Devodix, the ultimate game changer in the realm of online advertising. Born out of the industrious heart of Germany, this groundbreaking Facebook marketing software is meticulously engineered to transform your advertising strategies and skyrocket your sales in a way you've never experienced before. Imagine a tool that not only simplifies your marketing efforts, but also optimizes them to an extent where you spend less than 4 hours a day on your campaigns. That's the unmatched time efficiency Devodix brings to your table, maximizing your productivity and freeing up your precious time for other pursuits. Now picture a world where there's no need for an advertising budget. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what Devodix offers. Its precision German engineering empowers you to connect with potential customers, ready to make immediate purchases without the need for external Facebook logins. That's right, no more worrying about ad budgets. And it doesn't stop there. With Devodix, you unlock exclusive access to a vibrant community of like-minded marketers. This community is your ticket to an internal earning system that takes your marketing experience to unprecedented levels. Think about the power of having over 2 million posts automatically published in Facebook groups each month, generating an average of 27 new leads daily. That's the unparalleled marketing statistics that Devodix users enjoy. And the result? An extraordinary 377% boost in sales through constant visibility in these groups. Devodix is not just a tool. It's your secret weapon to becoming an affiliate marketing superstar. It allows you to reach thousands of potential customers on Facebook effortlessly, advertise multiple products at once, and significantly enhance your chances of making sales. And the best part? Devodix is committed to continuous evolution, ensuring it becomes even more potent in the future. It's not just a tool, it's a partner that grows with you and your needs. Devodix is here to make your marketing journey effortless and successful. So, are you ready to leap into the future of online marketing with Devodix? The revolution starts now. What makes Devodix stand out in the crowded world of online marketing tools? Firstly, let's talk about time efficiency. In a world where time is money, Devodix helps you streamline your marketing efforts. Now you can spend less than 4 hours per day on your marketing campaigns. This maximizes your productivity, freeing up your schedule for other pursuits. Devodix is the key to unlocking the door to an efficient, effective workday. The second feature we must mention is the German precision advantage. Devodix eliminates the need for an advertising budget. Yes, you heard that right. No advertising budget requirement. This tool empowers you to connect with potential customers who are ready to make immediate purchases. And the best part? There's no need for external Facebook logins. This is the unparalleled advantage of German-engineered precision. Next, gain exclusive access to the Devodix community. This is not just a software, it's a community. It's a place where you can connect with like-minded individuals, learn from each other, and grow together. Plus, the internal earning system takes your marketing experience to unprecedented levels. But that's not all. Devodix also provides powerful marketing statistics. Users can automatically publish over 2 million posts in Facebook groups each month. This results in an average of 27 new leads daily. Imagine the possibilities. With constant visibility in these groups, you could see an extraordinary 377% boost in sales. And for the affiliate marketers out there, Devodix is your dream come true. Automatically earn lucrative affiliate commissions with this tool. Reach thousands of potential customers on Facebook effortlessly, advertising multiple products simultaneously. This significantly enhances your chances of making sales. The Devodix Dashboard is another feature that helps you stay in the know. It provides a clear and comprehensive view of your campaign's most crucial data at a glance. You can effortlessly craft and manage your post text and images in the Campaign Manager. This gives you flexibility and control over your marketing content. Devodix also allows you to promote multiple products and niches in one day without the need to repost. Thanks to the multi-campaign manager, you can efficiently manage all your campaigns. With the Devodix tracking feature, you can precisely identify which campaigns are driving your sales. This gives you insights into the groups and texts that are generating clicks on your links. And last but not least, Devodix is committed to constant improvement. It is designed to evolve and become even more powerful in the future. This is a tool that grows with you and your needs. Devodix has been designed to give you an edge in the competitive online marketing landscape. So why wait? Join the revolution today and experience the difference with Devodix. Want to stay in control of your marketing campaigns without the hassle? Welcome to the Devodix Dashboard and Campaign Mastery. Imagine having a cockpit from where you can navigate the vast landscape of online marketing with ease. That's what Devodix offers. The Devodix Dashboard is your command center. It gives you a helicopter view of your campaigns, displaying crucial data at a glance. You can see how your campaigns are performing, where your leads are coming from, and even which posts are generating the most clicks. No need to sift through piles of data. Everything you need is right there, laid out in an intuitive and user-friendly format. It's like having a marketing guru right at your fingertips. But the Devodix experience doesn't stop there. The Campaign Manager is your key to flexibility and control over your content. It allows you to craft and manage your post texts and images effortlessly. You can easily tweak your campaigns, adjust your strategies, and make sure your message hits the mark every time. And what if you want to promote multiple products or niches in one day? No problem. The Multi-Campaign Manager has you covered. It enables you to efficiently manage multiple campaigns without the need to repost. Just set up your campaigns, and Devodix takes care of the rest. But what truly sets Devodix apart is how it puts you in control. With other platforms, you might feel like you're at the mercy of algorithms and complex systems. But with Devodix, you're in the driver's seat. You have the tools to guide your campaigns, make informed decisions, and steer your business towards success. And the best part? All these tools are easy to use, even if you're not a tech whiz. Devodix is designed to be user-friendly and accessible, so you can focus on what really matters, growing your business. So don't let the complexities of online marketing slow you down. Take control of your campaigns, make data-driven decisions, and propel your business forward with Devodix. After all, Devodix puts you in the driver's seat of your marketing campaigns. What does the future hold for Devodix users, and what do they have to say about their experience? Well, the future with Devodix is as bright as a high noon sun in the middle of July. This is because Devodix is not just a tool, but a partner committed to evolving and growing with you. As the digital landscape changes, so too does Devodix, continuously enhancing its features, refining its precision, and broadening its capabilities. The Devodix team works tirelessly, ensuring that they are not just keeping up with the times, but staying ahead of the curve. The objective? To ensure you have the most advanced, efficient, and powerful tool at your disposal, always. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from some folks who have experienced the Devodix difference firsthand. Bearbell Mama, a seasoned online marketer, says, Devodix has revolutionized my marketing strategy. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. She goes on to express her appreciation for the time efficiency Devodix provides, allowing her to focus on other aspects of her business. Claudia Buell, another satisfied user, exclaims, The German precision is amazing. I've managed to connect with potential customers ready to buy without any advertising budget. It's a game changer. Claudia's testimonial highlights the precision and cost-effectiveness of Devodix, demonstrating how it can transform the way you reach your customers. Gerhard Bree, a Devodix enthusiast, shares, The community access and internal earning system are unlike anything I've seen before. It's taken my marketing experience to a whole new level. Gerhard's experience underscores the exclusive benefits of being part of the Devodix community. These are just a few of the many voices singing praises for Devodix, each one a testament to the effectiveness, efficiency, and ingenuity of this remarkable tool. With Devodix, you're not just using a tool, you're joining a community of successful marketers. A community that's ready to welcome you, guide you, and help you reach new heights in your online marketing journey. So, are you ready to take the leap? Why should you trust Devodix with your marketing needs? That's a reasonable question, and the answer lies not just in its revolutionary features, but also in its credibility. With a stellar score of 4.5 on Trustpilot, Devodix has proven its worth to countless users around the globe. Behind this game-changing software is a dedicated team nestled in the industrial heart of Landau in the Palatinate, Germany. They work tirelessly to provide the best possible tool for your marketing success. And if you ever have questions, you'll find comprehensive answers in the frequently asked questions section, covering everything from technical requirements to data security and even tax deductions. Trust in Devodix means trust in a tool that evolves constantly to meet your needs, trust in a community of successful marketers, and most importantly, trust in a software that takes your marketing to unprecedented heights. Your journey to elevated online marketing is just a click away. Click the link in the description to seize the Devodix advantage today.